Why it's so bright? Oh, I can't even see the mountains. Come on. Oh. What's going on, guys? Sanchez here. Today we are going to talk about this ndfilter, and if you heard some noise and that bothers you, I'm sorry about that, because I live beside on this freaking highway road that there's nothing I can do about it. So this is the KNF concept ndfilter product that I bought in Lazada. This is his case. It's plastic and it is a cheap ndfilter, by the way. I bought this 2,800 pesos. Not bad. So what is ndfilter and why you need this one? ndfilter, or a neutral density filter, is a filter that reduces the amount of light that entering the lens of your camera. A very good example to say is basically it is a sunglasses for your camera. So when we talk about photography and when you're shooting outside with a very harsh, strong light and you want that background to look blurry and bokeh, so you set your aperture in the lowest f-stop number, and what's gonna happen, it gives you more light and now your photo looks more even brighter. But when you put ND on it, all you have to do is to adjust the ND filter like this. You can see it? Yeah, see the difference? Still, you have the blurry and bokeh background in your photo. I'll give you guys another example that I took. This photo right here, I took this shot around 2 p.m. Yes, it's very bright. The sun is way at the top, and without ND filter on it, you can't even see the water up there. And even the sky, you can see clearly the sky. It's very blown out, and I think that's a good example with an ND filter. And I really love this photo. Alright, moving on. So when shooting a video, we are going to apply that 180-degree rule shutter speed. That means we want our shutter speed to be at least double our frame rate. So if you're shooting 24 frames per second, your shutter speed should be in 50th of a second. If you're filming in the middle of the day at 24 frames per second, what you can get is a very bright trash light. So that's ND filter comes in. Check this example. See the difference, right? It can really gives you a better footage. So if you want to buy one of these, if you're a beginner photographer out there, filmmaker, if you're on a budget, definitely recommend this one. I will leave a link below for you to check it out. And that's it for me today, guys. I hope you learned something about it and would love to teach you guys more in the future. And if you like this video, hit that like button below and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. Peace. La 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 la. KNH, KNH, solid. Shutter speed rule, shutter speed rule. About this, I bought this 2,000 pesos. And because of that, you give low f-stop, and we will way out shutter speeds. Shutter speeds. Consider subscribing. I want you to be part of this journey. And thank you.